What up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. So, a couple of weeks ago, I was in Vietnam and I thought, hey, like some of these Funko Pop were made in Vietnam. Like when I saw the back of the box, and it started to say, and it said made in Vietnam. So I thought, okay, maybe Vietnam is the place that have a lot of Funko Pop. So when I was on Google Map, I started to search up Funko Pop in Saigon, and there's only like 3 shops there. So if you know any more shop that's in Vietnam sell Funko Pop, let me know and leave in the comment below for other people that plan to go there to look at Funko Pop. So my experience in it, so there was one shop that I checked out. Well, I didn't really check it out. I actually sent my sister-in-law to go and check out the store, and I was on the website and I saw this Grail Star Wars Funko Pop on the internet, and I called them up and said, hey, do you guys still have it? And they said, yeah, to come in and pick it up. So I sent my sister-in-law to go and pick it up, and yeah, and when I received it, I started to notice there was a lot of stickers around the Funko Pop. So this Funko Pop was actually in the front of the store, like on the shelf or whatever, and it pretty dusted, so that no one buy it. And yeah, if you actually know, this Funko Pop is actually pretty great, and it's the Star Wars Rebel um, Kane, Kanan. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, this guy. So the value is pretty high on this guy, so it was pretty rare, and I didn't want to miss the opportunity. So I just, did tell him, just get it and let me take a look at it. So when I got it, and yeah, there is a lot of stickers around it. Like, ooh, okay, all right. I'm gonna have to take off all the stickers, and yeah. So when I started cleaning the box up and take out all these stickers, and I started to notice, ooh, something a bit off here. So let me show you how it is behind all these stickers. Okay, so here it is after when I remove all these stickers, and as you can see, yeah, it's a bit dirty, because it looked like it's been on the shelf for a while and no one purchasing it. I thought it may be like an Asian thing where, if they're not really into Star Wars, or maybe no one knows what this is. So I thought, oh, okay, I'm so lucky. What the chance of me getting it? And yeah, after I removed the stickers, I started to know, hey, age 15 plus. I mean, Funko Pop for 15 plus, is that unusual? So yeah, and then I would assume that this sticker is said like it said Pop Life, and some serial numbers. So I would assume that it's legit. Um, but yeah, so look, I don't have the original one. As you can see, the original one is pretty expensive and pretty much hard to find. So I can't really compare this if it is you know fake or not. But I don't know. Let me know if you have the original one, and let me know what's the difference. If you can see if there's any different here, uh, and you see maybe the color. I don't know. Just yeah, let me know. Yeah, I feel like I got a fake one. It feels pretty fake. I don't really feel good buying it. I actually bought it for $20 in Australia dollars, so it's kind of the same price as buying a brand new Funko Pop here. However, this one is pretty much a grail, so it's kind of hard to find here. It would probably cost like at least $100 here on eBay or something like that. So basically, what I plan to do with this Funko Pop, I'm not even gonna resell it. I don't feel good reselling this one to other people. I think I'm just gonna keep it and just put it in the back somewhere. And yeah, so basically I learned to be careful when you're buying stuff overseas. Make sure you know your Funko Pop. Double check. You know, if you see a Funko Pop that it's 15 plus, it's kind of like a red flag that you should really be careful. I didn't thought of it at that time, so they had a bunch of stickers covering it, so I didn't really know it was a thing. So yeah, I basically learned my lesson. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please press the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.